Here at Prinston Barns, we supply a full service of taking down your barn, cleaning up, excavating, detaching, replanking, reboarding. And here the job's not done yet, but as we have our crusher, you can see that there is no big chunks of cement left behind. This can be turned in and used for a road bed, your laneway. Everything is salvageable. Not like others that leave a mess behind, and it's a big cost for the owner to have somebody come in like us, clean everything up, and still we have to charge the owner from somebody else that left the mess. At Prinston Barns, we make sure your work is done complete to your satisfaction.